out there on the lawn. But y'all are still ready to party with us tonight, aren't you? Not the type to keep on waiting. Usually like to love and leaving fast. Something that you're doing got me thinking I might take my foot off the gas. Come on! She said, hey, I like where this is going, so let's just take it slow, slow motion. Been waiting all day to get you in this moment, so let's just take it slow, slow motion. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Alright, so let's just take it slow, slow motion. Alright, so let's just take it slow, slow. Jonas, go crazy for our friend, our brother, Marshmello. Slow motion.
Now let's make some noise for the Jonas Brothers right now. I see a lot of Marshmello helmets in the crowd tonight. Thank you so much. I love that. Thank you. I like these little signs down here too. You guys are awesome. All right, let's take a trip down memory lane. Let's see if y'all remember this one.